Hello everyone, this is the 8th video in a series in which we are developing the pasta website. In this video we are specifically going to develop a menu of appetizers, entrees, and desserts with small little thumbnail pictures of each of the menu items that we will display on our pasta website on the menu page. So right in here, we're going to show categories of different foods that we sell that are on our menu system. So to do this, first of all, I'd like to minimize and show you in our pasta website files, which I have sitting on my desktop, we have a set of images. And if you take a look at these small pics, I have a series of what looks like about 12 different images in here. And they're each named by the type of food that they are. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a menu item for each one, and then we'll pull each of these menu items in to our website in a nice little tabular format. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to get back to Elementor, and we're going to have to use a plugin that's been loaded to do this job for us and make it an easier task. So I'm going to come up to our options and exit back to the dashboard. And you'll notice that the dashboard on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see this plugin that I've installed. It's called Food Menu. So whenever there's a task that you'd like to perform in WordPress, you can do a search on plugins for whatever that is. And in this case, I said, gosh, I'd really like to make a menu page. I don't know or have the ability. I bet somebody has made this a WordPress plugin. So I went out and I searched for it and I found this nice little options for it. I installed it and here it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into all foods and there won't be any listed. And we'll start creating menu items for the page. All right, let's get going. So as we move along here, we're going to start adding some food. So I'm just going to add a food item. And the first food item that I create will be, let's call it, I saw bruschetta there. All right. And let's go ahead and add some categories over here on the right-hand side. So I'm going to click to add a category. The first category is appetizer. I'm going to add that new category, and then I'm going to add another one, entrees, and then I'm going to add a third one for desserts. All right, so those are the three categories that we want. And I am not going to describe these, although probably in a larger website, you would make the titles of the menu items clickable. You'd add a paragraph or so of description for the item. We're just going to list the item. All right, we're going to set its featured image. So in this case, let's go and upload some files. Select files. Let's go into small pics. I'm going to select all of these and upload them all, just to save us a little bit of time. All right, I'm going to find the picture of bruschetta, which hopefully is in here. There it is. And I'm going to say pasta restaurant, bruschetta, and I forgot a C in bruschetta. All right, and I'll select all, copy, paste, and paste that caption. Okay, that is going to be my featured image. There it is right there. I'm just going to make up a price for an appetizer of bruschetta. This is an upscale restaurant. I'll put it at maybe $13.99. All right, I'm back. And our food categories were right here. We added the categories, but bruschetta is not a dessert. It is not an entree. It is just simply an appetizer. So as long as you have that selected, you can go ahead and click Update. We're going to add a new food. This time, I know we have tiramisu. All right, I'm going to come over and say that this is a dessert. I am going to set the featured image. I'm going to grab a picture of the tiramisu. I'm going to set its alternative text to pasta restaurant. Tiramisu. Select that, copy it, paste it, paste it, paste it, set the featured image. There it is. It's looking good. Tiramisu is a pretty good dessert. I'm just going to make it at $9.99. And everything looks good. Go ahead and publish. All right, I'm going to stop the video now and upload all of my other photos into this food menu and assign them prices and give them categories, and we'll continue on right after that.